This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. So let's go straight to Nasdaq, US 30 and gold. So this week it's been a great week for us. The market was just respecting our analysis. So this is what I've drawn yesterday. So this is a 4-hour time frame. So I think it's time for us to go to a bit smaller time frame, because this, if you see, this is what we did yesterday. We were killing the market around this level, but obviously the market, you can see, is no longer pushing higher. So it means maybe it's time to remove this. Let's see. So you can see, actually you can see this support. This support is really important at the moment. You can see this. So even if we did another one, inner trend line again, we did that because it was very close to market open. If we broke that, we're going to look for this one. If maybe this one broken, we were going to look for this one at 13,300, but that did not happen. So for today, I'm thinking that Nasdaq, even if maybe it's not today, I think maybe we can reach like 14,100 somewhere here, or maybe the market can still push up high, but you can see the market is still, it was consolidating around this zone here. You see the market is still consolidating, so we can go to a bit smaller time frame. Remember, don't get surprised when you see this. This is a very strong support. You can go maybe to my previous video, you will see how I drawn that. It's from, I think it's from a daily analysis. So let's go to a like bit smaller, like an hour. I want us to see what might happen today. So this is very clear, guys. You can see that. Let me remove this thing. It's very clear. You can see that this is a very simple uptrend. So when we have uptrend like this, we don't sell, guys. We just wait for a small dip, then we're going to take a buy. A small dip, we taking a buy. A small dip, we taking a buy, but not everywhere. You see, we have to draw the trend line, and if they make sense, we're going to take that. Like here, obviously we can't take a trade here at the moment, so we're waiting for the market to sell off a little bit. Even if maybe it's here, we can say, since we have our support here, it shows that we are still above the support. We can still go up, the market can still push up, you see. So the overall for today is, let's wait for the market. Let's wait for the market to push lower, even if we don't reach this level where it's 14,100 or 14,150. If the market doesn't reach there, obviously if it can reach around these zones, it's fine. We can still have another push, but here we don't we are not going to do that. Maybe we can draw a resistance line like this. If this area is broken, you can draw a proper line on your chart. If this line is broken, it's where maybe we can say, now this support, sorry, resistance is broken. It's now we're going to push. It's time to push up again, you see. Like let me just draw that for you. Let me just start it here. Remember, guys, this is a zone. You can just draw double lines, it's fine. So okay, it seems like this. So it means we're going to wait for the market to break this area. Then if it pushes up, it's where we can say, now we're going to have another buy. But at the moment it means we just have to wait for the market to sell off, and when it reaches around here, we can push up. So what if maybe the market breaks this area here? It means we just have to wait and see what's really going on. What we're going to do is we're going to go to a bit higher time frame, because we still have our support around here. So it means if we break, let me zoom that. If we break this support here, we will be looking for like 13,500 or 13,400. Around this zone is where we can say now we are on the support. But if this support is not broken, we are still on a bullish momentum, and even here we are still on a bullish momentum. So some people, they ask, maybe if we break this support, are we still going to sell? No, we actually, these are the smallest supports. So we have the strong one here, which never broken for like 6 months or 7 months. That's why you have to have them. But you will see that clearly on a bit higher time frame, like daily or even weekly, you see. But at the moment, I'm just waiting for the market to sell off. If it respects here, I'm still going to buy. I'm just going to follow the trend. The trend is my friend, guys. So if it breaks, I'm still going to wait for the market to reach this area. I'm not going to do anything around here, because the market can still play around, can still consolidate, unless if maybe it creates maybe some new supports there, then it's where I'll say now we can buy, now we can sell. Why? Because these things change every day. This support, maybe it might no longer be a support. Maybe we might have another one here or somewhere there. So these things change, and you have to change every day, you see. So let's go to USDT. USDT was still struggling. It was still struggling on that bearish resistance. You can see this is what I've shown you yesterday. So it means there's not much that I will show you even today. We have a resistance like this. The market has been playing below that. So it means if this market respects this resistance, we will see a sell-off. But if it's broken, we will wait for a small retest, then we can have another buy. But at the moment, it means we're just looking for a sell option only, sell positions only. Why? Because we're still having this strong resistance. But even if we have like a very strong bullish momentum around here, it's still fine. But the thing is, we are very close to, actually this is a wedge. If we draw the lines going there, actually it's a wedge. The market can still play around this zone until we have that breakout. We can say now it's a buy, or if we are very close to our support, we can say now it's time to buy. So from this area, we just waiting for the market. Even yesterday, the market was around here. So we just waiting for a breakout or for a sell-off so that we can have a nice position here. From here, yes, you can still sell around this area, but you should do your analysis right. Remember, these markets, they always push up, guys. When they sell off, they don't sell off like crazy, but when they go up, they go crazy. So be careful when you do your sell-offs around these areas. But the best thing that you can do, just wait for that, because you can see the market is trying to break this area. Since yesterday it was here, so the best thing is to wait for that breakout. Maybe we will have that breakout today or tomorrow, then we can have another buy. Or maybe we can see another sell-off, then we can have another buy. Or you can sell around this area. But this is USDT. When you sell, make it a short trade, because the pushback is very quickly. You can see how the market pushes back. You can see even here, even if these areas are respected, but when they get back, they just go crazy. So for today, we're waiting for a breakout, or if it's respected, we will see a sell-off. That's the analysis for today. So guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We have a special which is $25. $25 one-time fee for my VIP. You see, let me just show you that while we're still loading. For gold, let me show you the limit here. So gold is on a very nice. Okay, here is the special, guys. You can see that on the special we include the following. I hope you can see that: USDT, Nasdaq, S&P 500, gold. You can see them. So we are on $25 special. It's VIP, guys. This is limited time. If you miss that, you're going to join with $100. So I just want to help everyone out there, but unfortunately I can't help you for free, guys. So that's why I just take this price very low. So yeah, you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me if you want to be in the group. So let's go straight to gold and see what we can expect today. So this is 4 hour time frame, guys, on gold. So we are still on that a very strong support where we saw a gold bouncing back. We had this crazy sell-off, then now gold is bouncing back. So gold is similar to USDC. If we draw our, let's draw our resistance lines so that you can see that. I want to show you something. Yeah, it's something like this. I want to show you something. If you checked USDT, it's quite, I'm not saying they are the same, I'm just saying the analysis is quite similar, because you can see that. So the market is still playing below our resistance, and this thing, if you draw these trend lines and this resistance and support, if you continue, they're going to make something like a wedge. So for now we are still on a very strong support. This is a 4 hour time frame. So the market, I think the market will still push up. You see, if maybe the market, even if maybe you can draw something like this, you will see that. So the market can still push up while we are on a very nice support. Then I talked about this, I think maybe it's last week, that the market will consolidate around these areas. Why? Because the market doesn't want to make it easy for you just to get the trades on the support. As we always say, on the support you buy, on the resistance you sell. So the market will just consolidate. So when you are tired with this consolidation, the market will just push up. Then you will say, whoa, I missed that trade, because the market has been there for some time. So maybe you will even think maybe the market won't even move. Then when you check within few hours, the market is here, then you will never buy that, because it will be higher. So actually you should have, even if it's a small position around this area, just hold that. If it's in profit, you can lock, or maybe just leave it, because it will just go up and down, then it will just close you out. So the best thing is you can have this position here, because the market can still recover, and when it recovers, it's going to go crazy, you see. So let's go to a bit smaller time frame, or let me just use 1 hour. So on an hour, you can still see that this is also, we are still on a very nice support. You can see here how many candlesticks respecting this area. Even if maybe you draw your things here, I think maybe they can make sense, but I don't think this can make this move here is there just to confuse us. This is just a consolidation. So when the market pushes here, obviously the market will just go crazy. Just look at this, guys, how the market is respecting this area. So it means this is a very strong support. Then if maybe we can have that breakout, maybe the market will just go crazy. It will just sell off very, very crazy. But I'm hoping that the market will push up. So this is just an analysis for today. I think maybe the market will just push up. But remember, the market won't just show you a very simple setup. The market will just play around, so that when you are confused, then the market will just take its direction. Then you miss that opportunity. So this is Kenzo, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to join the group, check my description or watch the video. Will see my contacts. Then you can join the group. It's still $25. This is Kenzo Extra Hot. I hope you're having a very, very, very good week. We having a very nice week. Everything was very nice. Everything was just blue. So thank you for watching. This is Kenzo. Bye.